Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to draw a lion head. So without talking, let's get started and try to ignore my background area, and because my cat is hungry and I am not going to give his food right now. So let's start with the drawing. Okay, so you just have to join this love shape of circle. It's the head of the lion. Okay, and now inside of his ear, just like this, and also this, and then just a little bit of here, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, it's simply done, and then also here 1 2 3 1 2 3. See, in the middle of some kind of line 1 and 2, and then we're just going to reconnect this area just like this. Okay, and then you just have to draw another line here, and then draw something like this, and basically this is done. See, it's super simple and super easy to draw a lion head. So now it's time to color it. So first of all, we're going to give it a nice and shiny color with this. First of all, his nose is gonna be the green color like this. Okay, and then some let's also his ear will be not different like this, and then orange color will be on here, just like a little bit of like this. Also here, the entire face will be like the orange color like this. Okay, if you want, you can do another color or any kind of color if you want. It's all up to you. It's not mine. Okay, so just draw it as you want, and then it's time to draw the other things. So I don't have that kind of color, so I'm just gonna mix up with two color. First of all is red like this, I hope that I'm hoping the color it will be okay, I guess, or if it don't, I don't have any problem, because it's some kind of experiment, and I'm trying to show you that it's what it will be in the end. So let's just see and watch. Man, I'm sweating from the hot. It's already summer in our area. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just trying to mix up with this color. I hope it will be okay if I do it. Yeah, it's kind of work, but not that much. It's kind of work, I told you, some sort of experiment I'm working it on. So this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new from my video. Let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next video.